The biggest characteristic of Huaiyang cuisine is that the common ingredients are elaborately carved and presented in a gorgeous manner. The role of cutting skill is the first to bear the brunt. Coir Raincoat Cucumber embodies this characteristic incisively and vividly. The chef of Western food needs a knife to match every move, while Chinese chefs need only one knife to evolve countless cutting techniques. To learn them, the chef needs to pass it on to his apprentice, and it's also required to understand the profound connotation behind the cutting techniques. To use a knife skillfully is not only a skill, but also a need for inner peace and adherence to tradition, which is where the authentic flavor lies. A common cucumber and a kitchen knife are enough to make this dish rich. The Coir Raincoat Cucumber may be an inevitable dish for every Huaiyang chef. It seems common, but each cutting should take into account the angle, depth, and moving speed. The qualified Coir Raincoat Cucumber must be moderately spaced and extended to twice without breaking, so as to ensure the crispness and taste after dipping. By simple salting with salt, make sure the salt can penetrate into the fiber. And add scallion oil and sugar for seasoning after slightly draining the water. A common cucumber is thus incarnated as a work of art.